Get wind of something. Definition. To hear a piece of information that someone else was trying to keep secret. Example. The staff got wind of something suspicious happening in the accounts department. Get someone's wires crossed. Definition. To have a different understanding of the same situation. Example. We got our wires crossed about the meeting location again. Get someone wrong. Definition. To make a mistake in the way you answer or understand something. Example. Please don't get me wrong. I appreciate your help. Not get anywhere. Definition. To not make progress toward a goal. Example. The mechanical engineer has tried to fix the old engine but didn't get anywhere with it. Not get to first base. Definition. To not to be able to start doing what you intend to do. Example. Our football team practiced hard but still couldn't get to first base in the tournament. Don't give me that. Definition. Don't expect me to believe that because I know it is untrue. Example. Don't give me that. She snapped when he offered a weak excuse. Give as good as you get. Definition. To be strong and confident enough to treat people in the same way that they treat you. Example. Even though he was smaller, he gave as good as he got in the argument. Give or take. Definition. A little more or a little less compared to the amount mentioned. Example. The journey will take 3 hours, give or take 10 minutes. Give me any day, every time. Definition. Used to say that you always like or perfect a particular thing. Example. Give me house-made food every time. I prepare it to eat it out. give away. Definition. To break, especially when under pressure from strong forces. Example, the bridge began to give away after the heavy floods. Give someone what for. Definition. To speak angrily to someone whose behavior you are strongly disapprove of. Example, after being insulted, she decides to give him what for. Give the chance, nice. Definition. If I were allowed to, or if I could choose. Example, given the chance, I would travel the world for a year. What I wouldn't give for something. Definition. Used to say that you want something very much. Example, what I wouldn't give for a cup of cold lemonade right now. I would give anything a lot. Definition. Used to say that you would like to have or to do something very much. Example, he said he would give a lot just to see her smile again. Give someone a break. Definition. To allow someone some time away from their work or regular activities. Example, give her a break. She has been working non-stop today. Give someone a heads up. Definition. To give someone a short talk or statement about how a situation or plan is developing. Example, thanks for giving me a heads up about the schedule change. Give a hoot. Definition. To care. Example, he doesn't give a hoot about what people think of his fashion. Give someone a piece of your mind. Definition. To tell someone why you are angry with that person. Example, he was so rude that I almost gave him a piece of my mind. Give someone a run for his or her money. Definition. Do not allow someone to win easily. Example: the young athlete gave the champion a real run for her money. Give something a wheel. Definition: to try something for the first time. Example: let's give this new recipe a wheel and see if it works. Give someone hell. Definition: if someone gives you hell, they criticize you severely. Example: the coach gave the team hell after their poor performance. Give rise to something. Definition: to cause something to exist. Example: this strange incident could give rise to new investigations. Give someone the benefit of the doubt. Definition: to decide that you will believe someone even though you are not sure that what the person is saying is true. Example: even though he looked suspicious, the judge gave him the benefit of the doubt. Give someone the cold shoulder. Definition: to intentionally ignore someone or treat someone in an unfriendly way. Example: instead of apologizing, he gave me the cold shoulder. Give way to something. Definition: to stop arguing or fighting against someone or something. Example: she finally gave way to her emotion and began to cry. Not give someone the time of the day. Definition: to not to be friendly to someone and not to speak or help the person. Example: he walked right past me and didn't give me the time of the day. Someone would give anything for something. Definition: to want something very much. Example: the animator would give anything for a chance to play professionally. Someone would give someone the shirt off his or her back. Definition: someone would be willing to do anything to help another person. Example: she would give you the shirt off her back without thinking twice. There but for the grace of God go I. Definition: said when something bad that has happened to someone else would have happened to you. Example, when I see the people struggling, I think, there but for the grace of God go I. Make the braid. Definition. To perform well enough to succeed in something. Example, if you had worked harder, you would have made the grade this semester. In the next tutorial, I will bring you idioms English language with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.